Good morning, children. I am Mrs. Savitri from DAV Public School, Bujrajpalam. I welcome all the students of class 7th to the online classes for the new academic session. Today we shall start the class with Unit 1. This Unit 1 is classified into 3 lessons: the town and the country mouse, the town child and the country child, and the new blue dress. Today we shall learn the lesson the town mouse and the country mouse. Children, before going into the lesson, let us have a look at these pictures. It is a picture of a village and a town. Now observe the images carefully and answer the following questions. What difference do you observe when both pictures are compared? Where do you prefer to live? In a countryside or in a town side? Justify your answer with reasons. What is your favorite place, a town or a village, and why? Suppose you live in a town and visit a village for the first time, or you live in a village and visit a town for the first time, then how do you feel? You will have a very different experience, right? Even in the present section, the town mouse and the country mouse, we will see how a town mouse felt when it visited a village and how a country mouse felt when it visited a town for the first time. Now let us look into the story. There lived a country mouse and a town mouse who were cousins. The country mouse lived in mouse country and town mouse lived in a mouse town. They used to write letters to each other very frequently. One fine day, the country mouse got a letter from the town mouse, stating that he was not feeling well and his doctor had advised him to take rest for few days in the countryside. No sooner did the country mouse read the letter, it replied back inviting the town mouse to his place. The town mouse packed his bags and left the station. The day was very bright and sunny, so the town mouse felt hot in the train. Having no other choice, he grumbled to himself and the train moved slowly towards the country. Now there the country mouse was waiting for his cousin, the town mouse, at the station. The town mouse met the country mouse and said,
"The train was dreadful. I feel very thirsty. I hope you have something ice cold at home to quench my thirst." "Sorry, cousin. I just have some water. But I can try for some coconut water if you are okay with that." "Coconut water? Can't we get any orange juice or lemonade here?" "Sorry, cousin. I'm afraid not. But I found a very nice piece of root and a tender bit of sugar cane. I'm quite sure you will like that." "Root? Sugar cane? I just can't eat raw food. But this is what we all eat here. So I am afraid you two have to eat the same. This is not too bad to eat."
Soon they reached the mouse hole, the house of the country mouse. The town mouse did not like the dinner that his cousin had arranged, so he just nibbled the root and sugar cane. The town mouse felt tired and sleepy, so he said to his cousin,
"I would like to go to sleep now." "There you are. You can comfortably sleep here." "Do you mean I have to sleep on the ground?" "Yes, in the country we sleep on the ground."
So the town mouse went to sleep, but he couldn't sleep. So he went again to his cousin and asked him,
"Cousin, yes, what is it? Why is it so quiet here? Where are the cars and lorries? Where are the radios and televisions? Where are all the lights? This is how our country is pleasant and quiet. Yet times it is still more quieter than today. Do you know My grandfather says that our country is the quietest one among all other countries in the district. Oh, is it? The country is a very strange place indeed.
At last, the town mouse went to sleep. The next morning, the town mouse asked his cousin about the breakfast.
Is there no breakfast prepared yet? Cousin, we have to go to the nearby farm to search for food. I'm sure we will find something there to eat. A nice piece of root or a tender sugarcane.
After hearing to his cousin, the town mouse could not take it any more to live in the country, so he decided to catch the next train and go home. A few days passed. Now, the one fine day, the country mouse wrote to the town mouse asking about his health and said that he was worried about him and wanted to visit the town to see him. As the town mouse was in a hurry, he sent a telegram to the country mouse asking him to come soon to his place. So the country mouse went to the town mouse place. Now, how he feels there, we shall continue in our next class.